Hello, StewDoCli here with StewDoCli.com. Thanks for you guys stopping by and checking out the video. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to start a blog, practical ideas. So I'm going to share my notes with you, which I'll be talking from, and you should be able to see this right now. So you'll see here, the video is called Start a Blog, Practical Ideas. We're going to talk about the benefits of a blog, things you can do with a blog, and there are some there. We're going to talk about some tips. Okay, so we're back, and let's talk about just some of the benefits of a blog. So right now, we're dealing with the coronavirus pandemic, and a lot of people are working from home. And then there are a lot of people who actually just are home. And creating a blog may be a way for you to generate some extra coins to fill the gap. It just takes consistency, coming up with a plan, and executing. So what I wanted to mention is some of the things you can do with a blog. If you like to play video games, you can live stream from your web page. So there are a lot of platforms out there that you can use for streaming, like YouTube, Glitch. There's a couple of others out there that I cannot remember offhand, other than the two that I just mentioned. If you're the kind of person that likes to bake things or cook, you can share recipes, or you can do videos and post those on your blog. You can also share your views and opinions on things that you're passionate about. You can share tips. You might be a professional in a particular space, and right now you have some downtime, and you can use your blog as a means to share, what you're passionate about or what you do professionally. You can talk about your favorite hobby. So everybody has a hobby. Some people love their pets, who have pets, and that may be a way for you to share more about your pet. You might have a dog, cat, or whatever kind of animal that God has created, and you want to talk about them. So you can also create a blog for your pet instead of talking about your pet, because you'll notice on social media, some people have Instagram, for their pets, and they get a lot of followers. Well, this is another medium you can use to, kind of forward people to your web page. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about tips. So when you're creating a blog, you definitely want to be consistent. What that would mean is coming up with a plan and deciding how often you're going to post, what time you're going to post, and just staying consistent, because as people are coming to your site, if you stop posting, what are they going to have new to look at or learn about? You want to be professional. You got to keep in mind you're dealing with a range of people. Children can come to your website, adults, older people. So I think overall, just be professional, do to others what you want them to do to you, and things will be all right. You can definitely, with all the effort and energy that you're putting into your blog, you can monetize your blog. So what that means is basically you allow ads to show up on your website, and when people click on it or they see it, you get paid for it. So that's a way to be rewarded for the time that you're putting in to write blog posts or do videos and post them on your website. So if you need help with doing any of that, let me know. I do web hosting, so I can help out with that part of getting things set up, and then you can just ask me questions. I'm going to do some videos on posting doing blog posts, and then also setting up your blog. So let me know. It would be a great help if you did go with me for your web hosting and domain name. And you know, yeah, just we'll keep doing that. The other thing is when you're doing your blog, you definitely want to interact with your audience. A simple hi or simple, feedback is good. People like to know that they're interacting with a human on the other side. And then also the thing about blogging is you can schedule blog posts. So this is a feature of WordPress. You can actually write a series of blog posts, like 5 or 6, and then you can schedule them where they release at a certain time or a date. So you might stagger it where, let's say, you're having um, some motivation to write, and you do 5 blog posts or 5 videos. Well, you can stagger them where for the next 5 weeks you're gonna have a video post every day at whatever date and time you say. And again, it's content, adding content, and you want to definitely add quality content. So some other things to think about, um, research the things that you're going to talk about. Look at keywords people are using, um, so you can incorporate those into your blog posts and your videos. Because what happens is, as you're adding more content, and this content people are looking for, you're going to come up in search results for search engines, and that's going to, help you build your following. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention is, as you do your blog posts, one of the things we'll show you is, pretty much a method on, once you do your blog post, posting those to your social media channels, because ultimately you want to lead people to your website to spend time on your website. So this is StewDoCli with StewDoCli.com. I hope these tips were helpful, and this is going to be one of a series of videos we're going to post on actually going through the process of doing a blog. So we talked about starting a blog. In the next several videos, we're actually going to go through setting a blog up. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to message me, and I will talk to you soon. Stay safe, be blessed, and know that the Lord is our comfort. And, if you have any worries, cast your cares on the Lord, because He cares for you. All right, StewDoCli out. Be blessed. Peace.